Hello everyone, कैसे हो आप? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मैथ्स पीरियड. आई एम किरण मैम. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 of exercise 2.4 NCERT standard 8. The question is Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. The shirt material costs rupees 50 per meter and trouser material costs rupees 90 per meter. For every 2 meters of trouser material he buys 3 meter shirt material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,660. How much trouser material did he buy? Here the ratio of trouser material and shirt material is given. That is, for every 2 meter of trouser material he buys 3 meter of shirt material. So let us start. Ratio of trouser material and shirt material is 2:3. Let the trouser material bought be 2x meter. Therefore, shirt material bought is equal to 3x meter. Cost of 1 meter of shirt material is rupees 50. Therefore, total CP, that is cost price of shirt material, is 3x into 50, that is rupees 150x. Cost of 1 meter of trouser material is rupees 90. Therefore, total cost price of trouser material is 2x into 90, that is rupees 180x. Next, he made a profit of 12% and 10% respectively. On trouser material, he made a profit of 12% and on shirt material, he made a profit of 10%. So, 10% profit means if CP is rupees 100, then SP is rupees 110. Therefore, we will apply here unitary method. When CP is rupees 100, then SP is rupees 110. When CP is rupees 150x, then SP we have to calculate. Therefore, SP of, that is selling price of shirt material, is equal to 150x into 110 upon 100. So we get rupees 165x. Now 12% profit on trouser material means if CP is rupees 100, then SP is rupees 112. Again, we will find the SP of trouser material using unitary method only. If CP is 100 rupees, then SP is rupees 112. For CP 180 X, we have to find SP. Therefore, SP of trouser material is equal to 180 X into 112 upon 100. So, here we get 112 into 18 X upon 10. So, we get 201.6x. Therefore, total SP of both the materials is equal to 201.6x plus 165x. So it is rupees 366.6x. Now we will equate our calculated sale price with the actual sale price, that is rupees 366.6 x is equal to rupees 36660. Therefore, x is equal to 36660 upon 366.6. So it will become 36660 upon, now we will remove decimal, so it will become 3666 upon 10. That will be multiplied with the numerator. So after cancellation we get x is equal to 100. Therefore, total trouser material bought is equal to 2x, means 2 into 100, that is 200 meter. Next, question number 8 of exercise 2.4 NCERT standard 8. The question is, half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So let us start. Let the total number of deer be x. Therefore, number of deer grazing is half of the herd, means x upon 2. Remaining deer means x minus x upon 2, that is x upon 2. Therefore, number of deer playing, 3/4 of remaining means 3/4 of x upon 2. 3/4 into x upon 2, that is 3x upon 8. number of deer drinking water is equal to 9. According to the given condition, if we add all these, we get the total number of deer, that is x upon 2 plus 3x upon 8 plus 9 is equal to x. In the next step, we will shift all the terms with variables towards left hand side and we will shift all the constants towards right hand side. So it will become x upon 2 plus 3x upon 8 minus x is equal to minus 9. This minus x we can write minus x upon 1. Now we will simplify left hand side. We'll take LCM of 2, 8 and 1, that is 8 only. 2, 4, 8. So 4 into x 4. Here 3x minus 8 is equal to minus 9. So 4x plus 3x is equal to 7x. 7x minus 8x will become minus 1x, means minus x upon 8 is equal to minus 9. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus 9 into 8. Therefore, minus x is equal to minus 72, which implies x is equal to 72. So, there are 72 deer in the herd.